An oven's main control board provides power to all of the oven components. If the board is defective, the oven may not heat or the oven fan motors may not work. The oven control board is usually located directly behind the control panel. You will need to remove one or more access panels to reach the board. If you suspect the board is defective, you should first inspect it for signs of burning or a shorted-out component. You can also use a multimeter to confirm the board is receiving power. To conduct this test, the appliance will need to be plugged in, so avoid touching any wires or components with your hands. Using the oven's wiring diagram, determine the location of the board's power input connector and wires. Set the meter's range selection dial to volts AC. Now contact the black and red meter leads to the board's input terminals or connector. The meter display should indicate close to 120 volts reaching the board. If the board is receiving the proper voltage but is not sending power to the oven components, you'll know the board is defective and will need to be replaced.